Hey everyone, and welcome back to Nech Empire, a place where I share graphic design tips and simple Canva tutorials. And in this video, I want to show you how easy it is to turn your photo into anime in Canva, and it can be done even for free. As you probably know, Canva has integrated multiple apps to enhance the platform experience. One of these apps is called Animeify, which is free to use but comes with limited credits. The limitation is that they give you few free credits to transform your photo to anime art. But once you have used them up, you will have to wait for the credits to refresh. So you can turn an image to anime for free, or you can purchase additional credits by clicking the link at the bottom of the app page within the editor. To show you how the Animeify works, let's open a blank project. Here, upload and drag and drop a photo you want to turn into anime character. A clear photo of a face is best. Try to choose one where a face is facing forward and well lit. This helps the app capture a face shape, eyes and expression more easily. If you can, you should also remove the background from that photo to get better results. Now, when you have that photo, go to the left sidebar and click on the apps section. Once done, type in the search bar anime and find the Animeify tool. Click on that tool and then accept all their terms. Now, all you need to do is to click the Animeify and replace button, and the tool will turn that photo into an anime style character. It takes just few seconds to see the results, and once you are happy with your anime character, it's time to save it. Tap on the Save button in the top right corner and download the image to your device. As you can see, with special apps, it can be easy to turn any photo in anime. You don't need any special skills or fancy tools, just a photo and a free app. Okay, free app with some limited credits, but it's free method to do that. So, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.